Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and we are back with another episode in our tested series. This is a sweet wireless car charger that I've got, so that's why I am sitting in my car. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, so this is the charger, and what's amazing about it is it has got a little button that you touch, and it opens for you to insert your phone, and then it closes automatically. It is powered by USB, and it will quick charge if that's what you've got it plugged into. I've got it plugged into my 2013 Town & Country, so I don't think this USB port is quick charge capable. I do have one on the floor, but for me to mount it on this side of the car, it doesn't reach it. So I'm still experimenting with where I like to have it and so on and so forth. But watch this. With my phone in hand, so there's my phone, I can tap the button, it opens up, I set it in, it closes automatically. It is super slick. Let me show you how the whole mounting system works, but I'll do that inside on a desk instead of in the car. Alrighty friends, so I brought this inside and I've got a table. I can show you the cool things about it. It has a nice locking mechanism that you can loosen and get to the exact angle that you want. So once you've got it loose, you get it turned to wherever you want and you can lock it in. You can do that on the road. It also has a sweet extension so that you can pull it out closer and further. And then my favorite part is right now the suction is on just gently, but if you loosen this one, I'll spin this around so you can see it better. If you loosen this, it lets you open it, and then this little lever locks it in. Watch this. When you pull that down, it's got all that suction, and you like have to force it to lift it back up. So you can simply lock it in place, lock it, adjust it to where you want, and you're good to go. Totally adjustable, totally awesome. And then here's a crazy thing that I found. It uses USB-C, so I'm going to loosen this up so I can show you where the bottom is. And I'm going to just plug in my USB-C cable in the building. It still functions, so you could actually put this on your desktop if you had a reason. And you could have your phone attached on your desktop just like that. I'm going to open it back up. You may have noticed mine fell. That's because I did not have the little feet down. There is a little button on the back that you can press, and it drops down the feet. Let's drop this in again. Push the button and drop it in. So my friends, you can see with a little bit of use, you don't even have to look. You can just touch the button, drop in your phone, and it locks it in place and immediately starts charging wirelessly if your phone has wireless charging capabilities. I'm going to take this out one more time. This is a Galaxy Prime, does not have wireless charging, so no bonus on the charging, but you can see it does hold your phone really well. Extra cool if you got the wireless charging, still awesome even if you don't. Alrighty friends, I am totally impressed with this tool. I think it is super excellent. I love that whenever I get in my car, I've got a safe place to store my phone so there's less chance of breaking it. It's in front of me so it's not distracting. It's up where I can actually see it if I need when I get notifications, but it doesn't take my eyes off the road because I do not text when I drive. And it's just a handy tool to have, sturdy, and keeps my phone charged. Friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you're looking to purchase it, I will add a link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.